Hey, these are a pair of these Amazon teardrop earrings I got a little while ago. They're imitating basically a dupe for those famous designer, the one that starts with B, earrings. I really loved them when they came out. Couldn't afford them, of course, so I picked these up and wow, no regrets. They're super lightweight. The size I got, I think they do come in a couple of different sizes, but these ones are fairly big. Very lightweight because they're hollow, stick on the ears well, don't irritate me at all. And I like them so much that I decided to pick them up in silver as well. And these have become basically two sets of earrings that I wear very often. Mind focus here? Yeah, there you go. Yes. I'm not sure if these are the original backs. I have a whole bunch of backs that I switch out a lot, but the silver ones and the gold ones. Excellent. Highly recommend.